So if you're looking for a way to go ahead and clean and disinfect your items, such as a toothbrush, dental appliances, or even jewelry, this works really well. It does come with a set of tweezers, and it also comes with a cleaning brush if you need to go ahead and scrub some of that grime off before you put it in there. This is super easy to use. It's got a large LED display here. It's got 4 different modes. Now you can have a fast clean at 300 seconds, a deep clean at 600 seconds, or if you can kind of see here, it's kind of purple right there. Those are the UV lights that are on, and they're actually located right here. When you lift up the lid, they actually turn off. When you close it back down, they're back on. If you want, you can just have it in oscillating mode or just the UV lights on its own. If you'll notice, we've got 3 ports right here. That allows you to take a toothbrush, just insert it like that. You can close the lid up, and that way you can go ahead and disinfect and clean your toothbrush. And then also the tray, you'll notice as I open the lid up, this comes up out of the water. And then when you do lift it up, the inside of it's actually stainless steel. And there's a marker inside there to let you know the max amount of water that you want to put in there. Now once you're ready to start cleaning, you just add a little bit of water in here. And if you have something that's really dirty, you can use a tablet, something like this, to put in the water to get some additional cleaning. Just put the tray down, put our dental appliance in there, close it up, and then we go ahead and turn it on. Now that it is on, there is a slight buzzing sound, but it's not very loud at all. Then once it's through, it's going to zero out, and I'll go ahead and open it up. We'll check it out. Now that the timer is down to 0, it's all done. We just go ahead and pull it up out of the water. The oscillation has cleaned this out, and these UV lights have disinfected it. It works fantastic. Now this does plug into a standard outlet. Plugs in right here to the back, and when you're not using it, it does have a little silicone cover here to go ahead and cover that up. Works great for jewelry, dental appliances, and toothbrushes. Hope you found this helpful.